Hi, my name is Nurfati Shahira binti Yunus. My matrix number is 18DUP90F 2022. I want to talk about customer service. Grooming is as this self-image. You have to look clean and tidy because first impression customer is the last impression. The personal hygiene, attitude, behavior and manners makes one personality. First, listen. Do not talk over the customer or argue with them. Let customer have their opinion. Second is build rapport through empathy. Put yourself in the customer's shoes if you can deal with customer problem. Third is lower your voice. If the customer gets louder, speak slowly in a low tone. Your calm and them can carry over them and help them to settle down. Fourth, don't take it personally. Always speak to the issue at hand and do not get personal even if the customer do. Last but not least, remember that you are interacting with a human. Everyone has an occasional bad day. Concentrate on engagement that stimulates positive feeling is important because negative emotion can permanently jeopardize the customer relationships. Providing excellent customer service as it is one of the best prospects of a customer, especially in the tourism and hospitality industry. Instill core value through teamwork. If all staff are committed to providing great customer experience, they must be fully grounded in the organization value. Clear communication is central to memorable experience. Use speech analysis to understand what makes customer happy. Direct response to customer feedback. This demonstrates the convert of customer feedback. First, without goals, you might find that you tend to chase after whatever seems most urgent or is staring you in the face. It's thought not to get distracted by shiny objects. Second, setting priorities is very important in managing time because it can help you manage your business properly, or managing your time effectively requires a distinction between what is important and what is urgent. The third is use a planning tools. Time management express recommend using a personal planning tools to improve your productivity. Example of personal planning tools include electronic planners, pocket diaries, and calendars. The last one, take care of your health because a good night's sleep, healthy eating and exercise will give you the energy, focus and stamina required to make the most out of your day. It may seem that work is more important and you can always catch up on sleep, food and exercise later. The conclusion is that when engaging in the field of work, all of the factors outlined in this video are to be disciplined in order to convey positive value to customers and to always do their job with the best effort.